In this video, we are going to look into how you can download Autodesk product into your laptop or PC. First, after you have logged in into your Autodesk account, go into All Product and Services on the left side of your screen. Here, if you are a user, these are all the products that have been assigned to you. Or if you are an account manager, this is all the product that you have subscribed to. For this video, I'm going to show you how to download AutoCAD 2021, which falls under Architecture, Engineering and Construction collection. For that, I'm going to click on the View item on the right side of the tab. You will find all product that is included in the AEC collection, and you can scroll down and choose what are the product that you wanted and click on the View Download. In this View Download window, you can choose the version, platform and languages that you want. Please note that the version that will be appearing here is the latest version on the date of your subscription along with 3 lower versions. In the download method, you can choose the method of download that you desire. You have install now, download now, and browser download. You can simply click on compare download method to know more about the difference between this method. For this video, I'm going to use browser download. Please note that when you are using browser download as your method of download, you need to disable browser pop-up blocker before downloading. And you can click on Start Now. And there you have it. This is how you can download Autodesk product into your laptop or PC.